Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to make caramelized almonds or candied almonds, the ones you find on Christmas markets and in street fairs. For this I've taken 200 grams of almonds, 100 grams of sugar, 50 milliliters of water, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar and a tiny pinch of salt. Take a non-stick pan and add 50 milliliters of water. Add 100 grams of sugar. Mix well and let it come to a boil. Add the almonds. And mix. Add 1 tiny pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Mix all together on medium heat and let it boil. Stir often. It will slowly start to thicken and eventually the sugar will caramelize. Like this. Keep stirring. Till the sugar starts to melt again. It might take a little longer, but it's worth the wait. You can also use peanuts, hazelnuts, walnuts, or even cashew nuts for this recipe. The smell of caramelized sugar and vanilla sugar and cinnamon powder is very tempting, but please do not try, it's very hot. Do not increase the heat, it might burn. You can see the color slowly changing. Reduce the heat and keep stirring till all the almonds are coated. Empty on a parchment paper or butter paper and spread it out well. let it cool. These make wonderful gifts, especially for Christmas. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.